Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Welcome to online classes. This side Hema Yadav, your maths teacher from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Children, this is the time for revision. So, in this video we are going to revise chapter 5, shapes. I hope you have focused on the videos which we have uploaded till now. Now we will revise the chapter. Open page number 62 in your book. We will see shapes. Here you can see shapes are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 which I taught you here. Now we will see what things are similar to these shapes. So look at the page number 63. Here one square is given and what things are similar to it? You can see dice when you play Ludo and snake and ladder. Dice looks like a square, and maybe any clock is at your home. Some clocks may be in circle shape and some may be in square shape. So you can identify these shapes very easily. Now circle, children, you see coin at your home. Coins are in circular shape. Now what you can see of this shape? You eat samosa. Samosa looks like a triangle. I hope you have understood. Now this is an oval. Oval shape I gave you example just now. An egg and balloon you can see of this shape. And rectangle. You see envelope at your home. Envelopes look like a rectangle. So I hope you have understood about all these shapes. Now come to the page number 64. Identify the shape of the objects and color it. Here few objects are given. You have to identify these shapes and match and color the shape which is similar to this. Here this is tire. Children, just imagine the tire in your mind. It looks like a circle shape. So we will color circle here. I gave you example of samosa. Samosa looks like triangle. So we will color triangle here. Clock you can see. Clock you can see at your home also clock. It looks like a square shape. The another you can see and do it. Now come at the question number 2. Circle the same shape in each row. Here you have to identify, you have to circle the shape. Here this is circle and you can find out where is circle here. This is circle. So we will circle this circle. Now this is a triangle. So what you have to do? You have to circle the triangle where triangle is given in the options. This is triangle, so we will color this triangle. Now the others you can do yourself. Now children, come to the next topic. This is shapes that slides and roll. Children, you know which shapes can slide and which can roll. The object which are having flat surface, they can slide, and the things which are in round surface, they can roll. Here you can see this is round in shape. So the things which are in circle shape, they always roll, and the things which are in square shape, which are in rectangle shape, they will slide. Look here. I am giving you an example of book. You see book, your book is in your hand right now. So what it has a flat surface. So your book will slide. And you see ball, you play with the ball. What will ball do? Ball will roll. And what about the coin? Coin in circular shape. So if we will push the coin, then it can slide and it can roll also, because it has flat surface and round surface both. I hope you have understood. Now children, this is all about today's revision. Now we will see exercise of this, page number 67, question number 5. Here you can see some objects are given. You have to find out which can slide and which can roll. Here you can see this box, pencil box. This box is having flat surface, so it will slide. Ball, it has round surface, so it will roll. If you will push teddy bear, then what it will do? It will slide because it has a flat surface. And what about the pencil? Pencil can slide and roll both. I hope you have understood. Now keep practicing of this chapter at home. We will discuss this chapter in a live doubt session, and children have a deep focus on the chapter which we are giving you so that you can memorize the chapter very easily. Thank you.